Introduction to ChatGPT. How to create books using AI ChatGPT to level up your Amazon KDP game. We are going to use this topic under self-help for you to know how to create a book content, that is how to generate content for your books so that you can have a very good book for your Amazon KDP. Hello, I am Okeke Chizoba, a teacher and an edupreneur. Please do well to like, subscribe, share with friends, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you. Before we start, I want you to note this. You have to use this AI wisely, creatively, and sensibly. Remember, any AI is not a means to make you lazy and unproductive. It is there to make the work easier. Do not exclusively dependent on the content generated by AI to give you sales on Amazon KDP. What will give you sales is your adequate and meaningful research. Do well to connect with me for more information on Amazon KDP. We are going to be looking at, depending on how long this video will be, we are going to be looking at how to generate your book title, subtitle, table of contents, book description using this AI ChatGPT. So that's what we are going to be looking at. The website that we are going to be using, or apps that we are going to be using: Quickbot, Grammarly, and Duplichecker. Quickbot is for paraphrasing, Grammarly is for grammar checkers, and Duplichecker is for checking of plagiarism. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into details. Go to any browser of your choice. I love making use of Chrome. Type in, if you don't have an account with ChatGPT, type in chat.openai.com. Alright, I have an account with them. That's why my own is showing this way. If your own is showing another thing, you have to open an account with them, or you can just use your email address to open an account with them. But I have mine, so let's tell ChatGPT what to do for us. So you type in, give me a nice title. Give me a nice title for my book. Then we are using overcoming breakup grief. So let's just try this. This is a good title, but I want us to check something using ChatGPT. Overcoming breakup grief is a very good title. We would have just asked the chat to just give us the subtitle, but let's check something here. So you click on send. Okay, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Just give this. Hey God, this website is more than wonderful. The website just gave us a subtopic, a topic, and a subtopic: rising above heartbreak, a guide to healing after breakup. This is a wonderful topic, very, very wonderful topic if you do your research very, very well. So this is it. We are going to copy this. If you're not okay with this, you can generate another one, but without wasting much of our time, this is very okay for me. So I'm going to copy it. Then go to your Docs, Google Docs, or any writings, because I love making use of Docs, which is very, very okay. So go to and click on new document. If you don't have Google Docs, go and get it in Play Store. It's there. So I paste. So this is it. Rising above heartbreak, subtopic: a guide to healing after a breakup. I'm not doing book formatting now, so I'm just generating my content. Next time I'm going to show you how to do your book formatting using your smartphone, because in this my channel for now I'm making use of my smartphone to do all my KDP, whatever I'm doing. I'm not using laptop for now, so you can do that as well. So this is it. With this one now, we can now go back. This is rising above heartbreak, a guide to healing after a breakup. This is our topic and our subtopic. So we are going to go to and generate our table of contents. So you go back to ChatGPT, then tell the chat generate a good table of content for my book. Then paste the topic and subtopic. Let's see how it goes. So this is it. So you click on send. Are you seeing what I'm saying? This website is so wonderful. With this you can be able to write a very beautiful book, within hours. If you know what you are doing, if you don't have anything doing, only to write books, you can be able to use this. So you see, this is very wonderful. So let's copy. When you are copying, take it easy so that you're not going to refresh the website. So this is it. So let's check something before we can be able to proceed. First thing that we're going to do now, we are going to check if there is any. Okay, let's first of all check plagiarism using duplichecker. You type in duplichecker.com. You click and go. So I'm going to be using the free version of duplichecker because I don't have money for the pro version. So this one has 1000 word limit per search. So, and it's very good, it's good to go. You can use it. I love making use of desktop sites for a better view of the website. So I'm going to paste in my table of content that I generated with AI to check if there is any plagiarism. So click on I am not a robot before you start anything. That's the work of this duplichecker. Grammarly is also good for checking plagiarism, but that one they will not show you if there is any plagiarism. They will not show you where the work is being plagiarized. So, but the beauty of this duplichecker will help you to know when the work is being plagiarized, so that you can be able to do make some certain change. So click on check plagiarism. So you wait for it. If you have a good network, you are good to go. 0% plagiarism and 100% unique. That means this our table of content is unique. So I'm going to go to my docs to print layout so you can get a better view of what you're writing. Then click on this plus sign for you to go to another page. Just click on it, see where my cursor is. So from there you just click on page break. So this is another page. I can be able to paste in my table of contents. Paste. Although, you know, before this table of content we have what we call the copyright page, but I'm not going to talk about the copyright page because I'm not doing book formatting. I am trying to let you know that you can be able to create your book, generate your content within few hours. So without even thinking of what we are going to write, I'm going to remove all these things, all the things I asked them to do for me. So I'm going to remove it. So be conscious of that when you are doing your copy. Remove this. So cut it out. So this is it. Click on page break to go back. So this is it. They are telling us normal. So what you are going to do, you are going to be creative when you are writing your books. So what you are going to do, if you want to do your introduction, start with a storyline. so that you are going to make your books look so real that you are the one that is writing that has gone through heartbreak and you are giving out solution. You go to, after you have generated your table of contents, then for your introduction, just come to your chat and just type, write a very good introduction, write a very good introduction of my book. Then you paste in your book title. Write a very good introduction of my book, Rising Above Heartbreak, a guide to healing after a breakup. Remember, you are going to be creative. Use a storyline for you to make your book look so real, using a storyline of first person points of view. You are writing this as if you are the one that has gone through. As you can observe, what my keyboard is doing, that keyboard I'm using is called Grammarly. You can go to App Store and get one for yourself, no need of you going back to check grammar using this particular keyboard. So click on send. So are you seeing what I'm saying? I never thought it would have happened to me. The pain of heartbreak was something I only read about in novels or saw in movies, but there I was sitting on my bed staring at the very beautiful story. Very beautiful story. So you can do this on your own. I never thought it would happen to me. The pain of a broken heart, blah 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 blah. Just rising above. Oh, this thing makes a lot of sense. So this is like your first line. You can decide to check for plagiarism using your duplicate checker. You can decide to do that. Refresh so that it's going to bring another fresh page for you. So paste your story, your introduction. Then click on it. Click on I am not a robot. So our story is not 100% unique. So what you are going to do, you see the place being shaded with red line. So this is why I wrote Rising Above Heartbreak, a guide to healing after a breakup. Want to remove all these things. You are going to be creative. You are going to be very, very creative. So go to your docs and paste this and click on page break. Then you paste your introduction. This is your introduction. Remember to remove all these things. So this is your introduction, right? Introduction. So I never thought, from our duplicate that says that we have our plagiarized content is based on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this entirely, and I will be like, Rising Above Heartbreak, a guide to healing after a breakup was inspired by what I went through. That's why I need to be creative and smart. So this is it. I think we have reconstructed. So let's go back and check something. You paste your new content to check if there is still any plagiarism. Okay, so this is the new one that I just rephrased. I removed something and added my own. So as you can see, it is now 100% unique. So you can go on and continue your book. So this is just how to create a book using AI. This is not our this is the fastest way to do that. So as you can see, I have my table of content which serve as a guide of what will be in my book. You might not just stop here for your introduction. I never thought it would happen to me, blah 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 blah. Your storyline, you can never stop here. You will never stop here. So what you are going to do, just go to your chat again and write introduction. Just write introduction to write an introduction for, without even putting storyline again. Then I believe that the chat is going to give you more content on your introduction. So from then you are going to start your chapter 1. Okay, based on what your table of content is. Your introduction is the first one, is your introduction. Then under introduction you have the importance of healing after a breakup. You can go to ChatGPT and type write a very comprehensive, important, or I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just giving you the idea of what you are going to do, because maybe next time I'm going to do a video after I have done all these things and I'm going to show you. So be creative. You can connect with me for more information and I will guide you well. So remember, remove this. So when you are reading, you are going to remove all the things that AI is just adding on its own, like this one. No, this is a basic outline and you can add or remove section depending on specific focus structures of your book. So you can remove this. This is not important. You have to be very creative and sensible while dealing with AI. So I don't want this video to be long. So this is how you can be able to generate content and create your book using an AI. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel for more information like this. Thank you.